My name's Fiona McLeod. I'm the General Manager of Strategic Retail for the Visy Retail Division. I'm here at Visy's manufacturing site in Reservoir in Victoria, where we're making these paper bags for the Australian market. These are a great solution when you forget your bags. You can use them more than once, and once you're finished with them, pop them in your recycle bin and we'll make them into new packaging. We're so excited that these bags are made with Australian paper and they're being manufactured locally, supporting jobs in Australia.
Hi, I'm Roland. I'm the project manager for the paper bag. We wanted to make a fully recyclable paper bag, so even the handles that are made from paper, we can recycle. We are making approximately 6,000 bags per hour. The paper bag comprises of the bag body, the handle, and the patch. The handle is folded multiple times to create a thicker handle that's nice and sturdy. We looked at how to make a paper bag that is easily recyclable, but strong enough so it doesn't rip.
So these bags are beginning to roll out to supermarkets right across Australia. We all know that we need to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics, and these bags are a great step on that path.